Hey friends, thanks for stopping by our channel. My name's Amanda Gedney and I'm the founder and CEO of Settle Abroad. Today we are in Chiang Mai at Siam Cooking School with the owner Nancy.
Hi.
We are going to be making pad thai today. So if you're new to our channel, please hit subscribe, give us a like, give us a comment below. Have you ever tried making pad thai before? Are you still dreaming about the pad thai you had the last time you were in Thailand? So by the end of this video, you will know an easy recipe on how to make pad thai from a local, this wonderful cook, Nancy. All right, so our ingredients for today are, we have an egg, some peanuts, Nancy's special pad thai sauce. We have some fresh rice noodles. We have some pickled cabbage. We have some dried shrimp. And we have some bean sprouts for garnish on the top. And we also have some chicken. So we'll be making chicken pad thai today. So Nancy, how long has your noodle shop been open?
In July until now, yeah.
Yeah, so that's about 2 months old. So July 2020. Brand new noodle shop in Pongnoi. That's the area we are in Chiang Mai. And Nancy, you had a cooking school before this.
Yeah.
How long was that open for?
About 16 years.
16 years. So we have a professional chef on our hands teaching us the best pad thai to make. So let's go. Put some oil. Just using some soya bean oil, some just soy oil. Next, some tofu. And of course, if you're vegetarian, you can just use tofu instead of chicken. Next, some chicken. And Nancy, about how many minutes does it take to cook pad thai?
If I do for myself,
Yep,
3 minutes.
3
only.
minutes. Wow. Okay, so I think you have 3 minutes to cook your own pad thai, but it might take you a little longer than Nancy, who's been doing it for probably more than 16 years.
Yeah. And some garlic, yeah.
Okay, next some garlic. Can't forget the garlic.
And
An egg. Nice. Next, the pickled cabbage. That's an ingredient I actually didn't know was in pad thai, so that's interesting. And some dried shrimp.
can you help me add noodles?
Yep. Noodles, all of them?
Yep.
Okay, some fresh rice noodles.
And the sauce?
And her special sauce.
No.
Okay, less water. It's inside.
And the
And-
bean.
Yep. And some green beans. Yum. And finished. Wow. Easy. Yeah. Okay, so you see we made an easy pad thai with the master Nancy. So it only took us about 5 minutes. So you can make it at home too and actually save some money by cooking it yourself, because I know in America or other Western countries, pad thai goes for about $15 US. So you can make it using your own ingredients and whatever way you'd like, very fast. Thank you, Nancy, for showing me how you
You're
make
welcome.
and showing all our viewers how to make your special pad thai in Chiang Mai. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a like, comment below. Let us know, did you try making this recipe? We'll put the recipe in the comments and in the link below. Thank you so much. See you next time. Time to try the pad thai. A Roy Mak. That's very delicious in Thai. Thank you, Nancy.